Let me show you how to create such color palette using Object Mosaic in Adobe Illustrator. Select Open and choose the image file. Images link is provided in description. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy of image. Select the image. Go to Object. From that, select Create Object Mosaic. Set the number of tiles. I am selecting 4 in width and 4 in height. Follow these settings. Click on OK. Our mosaic tile is ready. To create circular shape, select Direct Selection. Click on Anchor Point and drag it to center. To look circles separate from each other, select Stroke. Change color to white. Go to Properties and increase the size of stroke. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.